to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming up because other people they're sleeping, so I do not to wake them up. So today, guys, I am finally going back home. So I'm copying for the whole year. You know how it is. So much I'm going back home, and I'm excited because you guys, yeah, I love home. Those who know me personally, they know what I love being at home. So I woke up around 4 p.m. I was supposed to wake up around midnight because like we had load shedding around 10, so the electricity came back at midnight and I was fast asleep, guys. I couldn't wake up. I did set the alarm, but then yeah, it is what it is. So I need to, guys, don't mind my headset back there, like they were broken and I needed to, you know, do something because yeah, it was hectic. So yeah, I've been packing since from 4 a.m. until now it's 6, so I am tired, I feel sleepy, so I want to pack until 7, then sleep for that hour, wake up at 8, go and take a shower, then go to the office to ask for a move out because they're complicated. So yeah, now I've been packing like other stuff, like I have a lot of stuff and I don't know how, but I think the time I was busy going home, coming back, I was coming back with some things, can't take it, like I will not have enough room, so as I will take them like to the car the way they are because I don't have bags, guys. I don't have bags, I don't have plastics. I'm just a passenger. Like I'm plastic now, now February in this place. Was it Jan? Yeah, I think Jan, if not Feb. So yeah, guys. Oh, and I need to take out the trash, and there's load shedding again. And the passage in the anyways, guys, I'm moving out. I'm happy, I'm excited. I'm going back home. Ekaslani. So yeah, so let me just show you how my room looked like before it became this mess. And this room, this room is so small, guys. It's too small. 2 people can't like stay here because like into my stressed, like yeah, they can't stay here. You can stay here if maybe you like, but then 2 people they can fit, but then because of stressed in it, it's like, you know how we like our space and stuff. I'll just show you how my room looked like before, and obviously I will have to show you how it looks now because I have to pack my stuff. So I'll show you when I'm packing my stuff. Yeah, what do we call this video? But is it a vlog? I don't know, but then I'm trying to give you content, guys. So I'm trying to show you like some of the things that I do now and then, but this is not what I do now and then. This is a must for me to do. This is a must for me to go back home then. So yeah, let me just finish packing, then I don't know if I'll take you along with me to the office because so the staff there in that office, they are rude and cruel, so I will see if I'll take you along with me or not, but then I will see. So yeah, guys, let me show you the room, then let me pack actually, and I will show you the room how it looked before. this plastic. I've been having this plastic I don't know for how many years. That's where I'm going to put my pots, and yeah, I'm going to put my pots, put it with my kettle. Should I call them my pots? They are my mother's. I took them from my mom. I'm going to put this. That's why I don't want to be very happy. But then this is where I was cutting my like vegetables and stuff. Then I decided to no longer use it. That's why it's here. Everything is guys basically kitchen. Don't say no, basically kitchen. You can't get later. Just because I have to pack my stuff and I don't want to make noise for other people because they're sleeping. Okay guys, I'm done for packing some of the stuff, so now I'm going to sleep for at least an hour. Then I'll wake up, then I will bath, finish up packing some of the stuff, and go to the office to get my move out. And yeah guys, I'm tired. I love sleeping. One thing that I love is sleeping. So yeah, just get a good nice nap, because nap, then wake up, take out the trash, because I need to leave the room spotless. Yeah, because they need to come and check. I don't know about check out because the room is really very leaving in the first place. But then let me sleep guys for a few minutes, for an hour. Guys, I ended up waking up late. I don't know. I set an alarm for 7:30. Then I changed it to 8. Then I changed it to 8:30 until now. Now it's 10, just imagine. And I was supposed to go to the office before 10. So yeah, I'm late. I don't know if maybe I'll welcome late. So I don't know how it works here, if ever you I don't know things around, but if you're moving out, how do they do it? Do they say what you keeping those alcohol wire? I will ask it when I get to the office because I'm late. Just going to put on this hat because I'm late. I'm going to put on the hat because I'm late. Okay guys, I'm now going to the office to get my move out thingy. So yeah, I don't know if I'll vlog because I'm late first of all, and we spoke about we had an agreement that I will meet the lady around 9, and now it's 10 something. So let me just go hurry up, and yeah, see you when I get back. this is, we've come to the end of our tonton. Yeah, so I will see you on my next one.